You know that, don't you? When they're making their meatballs for the family. Sometimes I get them a little big, then you have to, you know, right size. Wonder how many meatballs I've made in my life. Stop and think about it. About once a month for, how many years have I been making them? 50? Shoot. No, I didn't. I only started when your kids were little. My father used to do the cooking in those days. I wonder how many he made. This is going to get monotonous, you know that. They're going to get tired of seeing this.
Well, they are.
Sure they will. I want to see mothers cooking. That freaks me out. Everybody wants to see me sitting here making stupid meatballs.
Yeah, well.
It's crazy, isn't it? It breaks me up. What a subject.
Then we'll have everybody sitting up for an hour and a half watching you make.
The kids are going to get bored with this film.
Really?
Yeah. Grandma sitting there making 75 stupid meatballs. I make all these